In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey everybody, good morning. How you doing? We are live. Okay, cool. We got the audio going. Good morning, everyone. It's 70 at 10 o'clock in February in Natchitoches. It's terrible out there. Okay, it's not that bad. But yeah, I agree with you, Randall. I don't want the 80s here. It was nasty yesterday. I had to move stuff out of a storage unit, and I'm out there sweating. It's in the low to mid 80s. It's just sun beating down on me. It's early February. I get it in June and July. It's not fair now. I'm not getting rid of the humidity today. I do have plans to do that here in the future. Well, you know how that all works. So here's what we have going on out there right now. 70 degrees in Natchitoches, Sibley Lake looking good, Alexandria looking much the same here. Unfortunately, I'm going to say unfortunately, we have the sun out early today. I actually hear that plane flying over right now. We have the sun out early, so we're looking at 80s for today. But there is winter happening in some spots. Actually, a tornado watch up there in southeastern Kentucky. Kind of crazy there. Winter storm watches way up north. Big snows moving up into Maine and here into New England and northern New York. But for us down here, I don't see any snow threat. It does not look like we have anything coming here anytime soon. Temperature 73. Ugh. 70, you know we're hitting 80. I mean, it's got to happen. 68 in Lafayette. We did have some fog down in the marshes this morning. That has burned off, so no dense fog advisories. It's possible we get those again tomorrow, though. So southwesterly winds at about 5 to 15 miles per hour today. More of the same. I think less cloud cover, so easily into the low 80s today. And hey, how about this? We updated the Mountain Man logo. Now you can actually get that number, so call him or text him, 277-7830, to get a quote on what's going on with your tree in the backyard that you need to get rid of, because I've got one that's got to go, and it's going to go ASAP, and he's going to do it. So 79 degrees at 2 p.m. here. We're looking at highs around 80, maybe a couple of degrees above, mostly clear skies this afternoon, so that's going to warm us up even more. We've already burnt through these clouds, so that's gone. Rain chances very low for today. We are going to get back into the rainy stuff here in several days, but for now, through the weekend, it looks pretty decent here. So not seeing a severe threat locally. We have that marginal risk up to the northeast from Nashville up toward, what is that? Probably getting toward Roanoke, Virginia there, and then into the northwest parts of North Carolina, where they're still dealing with all the crazy stuff from Helene. So let's go further out into the future. GFS model, what do we see here? Some scattered stuff possible maybe by early next week. I don't see much going on until Tuesday, though. That's when the showers and storms really pick up, and then we just kind of get the waves of rain that we were supposed to have here about a week ago. I think we're going to get those now. You can see just multiple waves of precipitation from Tuesday through about Thursday. Then things clear out. Is there going to be a severe threat? Possibly a low-end threat, but I do think mainly heavier rain with this one, 1 to 3 inches. That's looking likely, and possibly a little bit more. So we'll be watching that. Obviously, we fine-tune these things as we get closer, but it looks like plenty of rainfall. Your 7-day forecast shows 81 degrees today, 80 tomorrow, 81 Saturday. We could push 80 again on Sunday, but then there you go. Monday, it cools off once again. I mean, it's not like Arctic cold here, but at least we'll see temperatures back where they should be this time of year for fans of the cooler stuff. 55 on Wednesday, showers, thunderstorms, but with cooler temperatures in place and less instability because of that, that's why your severe threat's a little lower. You can see the orange kind of bowing back to the north after we get that cool down for a few days. It looks like we warm right back up. So it's not going to be a long stretch of very chilly air, but I do think we're going to see at least several days down in the 50s and low 60s, and we're going to keep things active. It looks like showers and storms.